What if I told you that one of the most useful business tools inside ChatGPT isn't just for fun? It can actually help you create product images, promo graphics, transparent PNGs, and even model-style marketing photos in minutes. If you run a small business, sell products online, promote a service, or create content for your brand, then this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to show you why ChatGPT images can save you time, help you test ideas faster, and in many cases cut down the amount of money you'd normally spend just trying to create visual content for your business. And I'm not just talking about random AI art. I'm talking about real business use cases, product photos, model shots, promo images, flyer concepts, merch designs, social media content, and even improving images you already have. So let's jump in. First, let's look at the bigger picture. A lot of business owners spend money on product photography, mock-ups, social media visuals, ad creatives, seasonal promotions, and branded graphics. And sure, sometimes that makes sense, but sometimes you don't need to pay for a full production just to find out whether an idea even looks good. That's where ChatGPT images becomes really useful. Because instead of spending money first and hoping the result works, you can build the concept first, see what it looks like, test different directions, and then decide what's worth using. That's a much smarter way to create. Let's start with one of the most obvious uses, product photos. Say you sell perfume, candles, skincare, shirts, accessories, or really anything visual. With ChatGPT images, you can create a polished product concept in minutes. Not after planning a whole shoot, not after hiring somebody, not after buying props, just by describing what you want. And this is where a lot of business owners can instantly save time. Because even if the first image isn't your final image, it still gives you something valuable. It gives you direction. Now imagine this. You create one version of your product in a department store setting. Then you create a second version that feels warmer and more luxurious. Then a third one that feels brighter and more modern for social media. Now all of a sudden, you're not stuck with one idea. You're comparing options. And that's one of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT images for business. You can create variations fast. That means you can test different looks before spending more time or money on the final version. And this matters more than people realize because businesses usually don't need just one image. You might need one image for your website, one for Instagram, one for a seasonal post, and one that feels more premium for an ad. So instead of asking, can ChatGPT make one image? A better question is, can ChatGPT help me create multiple marketing directions quickly? Now let's talk about something that usually costs even more, model-based product images. A lot of businesses want photos of somebody holding, wearing, or using the product they sell. That could be skincare, perfume, clothing, wellness products, gifts, accessories, or almost anything else. Normally, that means models, planning, coordination, setup, and editing. But with ChatGPT images, you can create model-style concept shots much faster. And that is a huge advantage for small businesses because sometimes you don't need a full photo shoot yet. Sometimes you just need to see the idea. What would this product look like in a beauty ad? What would it look like in someone's hand? What would it look like in a more premium lifestyle setting? That's where this gets powerful. You can also shape these images around your audience. If your brand feels upscale, you can make it elegant and polished. If your brand feels playful, you can make it brighter and more energetic. If your audience is older, you can create visuals that feel more relatable to that customer. So you're not just creating an image, you're creating brand direction, and that's a big difference. Now let's get into marketing, because this is where ChatGPT images becomes really practical. They know they need promotions. They know they need seasonal graphics. They know they need something eye-catching for social media. But the problem is they don't always have enough visuals. That's where this tool helps. You can create ad concepts, promo graphics, sale images, holiday visuals, launch announcements, and social media friendly content without staring at a blank screen. And because you can generate different styles, you can test what kind of look actually fits your brand. One might feel too plain, one might feel too busy, one might be the one that makes people stop scrolling. That kind of testing is valuable. And think about seasonal promotions. Instead of starting over every single time, you can take one strong idea and turn it into a Valentine's version, a summer version, a holiday version, or a special sale version. That means less work, more flexibility, and faster content creation. For a small business, that can make a huge difference. Now here's one of my favorite uses of all: editing images you already have. Because sometimes the problem isn't that your image is bad, it's just not quite there yet. Maybe the background looks boring, maybe the lighting feels flat, maybe the setting doesn't feel premium enough, maybe you want a holiday version, maybe you want it to look cleaner, brighter, or more polished. Instead of throwing the image away and starting over, ChatGPT Images lets you improve what you already have. That is a very practical business use, because if you can take one decent image and turn it into a stronger one, that saves time and gives you more mileage from the content you already created. You're not rebuilding from zero every time, you're refining. And honestly, that's how real business content usually works anyway. You create something, improve it, make a better version, and then adapt it for different uses. This tool fits that workflow really well. Now let's talk about another business use that a lot of people overlook: transparent PNG designs. This is especially useful if you sell merch, do print on demand, create branded graphics, or need artwork that can be dropped into other designs. For example, maybe you want a shirt design that says, AI can help with that. You can create one version, then ask for a more futuristic version, then ask for one that feels more masculine, more modern, more premium, or more playful. Now you're not stuck with one look. You're building options. And that's exactly what a business owner needs. Because a lot of the time, the first concept is just the starting point. This kind of feature can be useful for shirts, mugs, stickers, signs, flyers, website graphics, social media posts, thumbnails, and branding ideas. Again, the big value here is speed. You can go from idea to concept fast. And that's a huge advantage when you're trying to create more content without making every little creative decision feel like a giant project. If you run a cleaning company, a landscaping business, a salon, a restaurant, a real estate business, a barber shop, a tutoring service, or almost any local business, you still need visuals, you still need promotion, you still need content that helps people understand what you do and makes your business look more professional. A cleaning business can create polished ad-style visuals, a landscaper can create makeover-style promotional images, a nail salon can create elegant campaign concepts, a restaurant can create beautiful feature graphics for specials and promotions. So even if you're not selling a product in a box, this tool can still help you market what you do. And this brings me to what I think is the biggest hidden advantage of all. ChatGPT Images helps you test before you spend. That is smart business. Before paying for packaging, you can mock it up. Before printing a shirt, you can preview the design. Before running a campaign, you can test different visual styles. Before paying for a photo shoot, you can explore different directions first. That can save money, but just as important, it can save you from going too far down the wrong path, because once you can see the idea, it becomes much easier to decide if it's worth investing in. Now, one thing that really helps is learning how to write better prompts. A simple way to do that is to include 6 things: the product or service, the setting, the lighting, the style, the audience, and any special details that matter. So instead of saying, "Make me a candle image," you'd say something more like this: create a realistic product photo of a handmade candle on a wooden table in a cozy modern living room, warm natural lighting, premium e-commerce style, designed to appeal to adult home decor shoppers. That gives ChatGPT a lot more to work with. And usually, the more specific you are, the more useful the result becomes. Here are a few examples of the kinds of prompts a business owner might use. Create a realistic luxury skincare product photo in a clean spa setting. Create a woman in her 40s holding a premium wellness product in a bright modern home. Create a square social media sale graphic for a perfume brand with floral accents and space for a headline. Create a transparent background sticker design with the phrase "AI can help with that" in a bold futuristic style. Create a polished promotional image for a home cleaning business showing a spotless kitchen. Keep the product the same, but change the background to a holiday retail setting. Start with one strong image, then create 2 or 3 variations, then ask for one with better lighting, ask for one with a different mood or audience, ask for a seasonal version, ask for an ad version, ask for a transparent version if you need one, then save the strongest results and build from there. That's where the real power is, not in making one image and stopping, but in using the tool as an idea machine that helps you create, compare, improve, and test. So if you've been thinking of ChatGPT images as just a fun image generator, I'd really encourage you to think bigger. For business owners, this can be a tool for product visuals, model-based promos, social media content, service business marketing, merch concepts, transparent PNG designs, and improving images you already have. And most importantly, it helps you move faster. It helps you test ideas sooner, and it can help you spend money more wisely by showing you the concept before you commit to it. That is where the real value is. Now that you've seen how powerful ChatGPT images can be for your business, from product photos to social media graphics to promotional ads, imagine being able to create all of that in just minutes without hiring designers or spending a lot of money. In my next video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this step by step. I'll show you how to create these images, what to type, and how to get the best results, even if you're a complete beginner. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what kind of business you'd use ChatGPT images for. Thanks for watching.